Hi Strike customers, James here from Assembly, just showcasing the new iPhone 15. This is the cradle to suit the iPhone 15 with a rugged case. So Apple have now changed to the USB-C. So here it is docking. This comes with USB-C to USB-C connection for fast charging, compatible with Apple CarPlay. It also comes with a built-in antenna that is compatible with our B2 and B3. This is available on a couple of options. So it's available as it is, which is a DIY with the windscreen mount, and it comes with a car charger which plugs into your cigarette lighter. It's also available in professional install, which is a swivel mount and a DC-DC power pack, which will need to be hardwired in by an auto electrician. You can also buy the cradle as a head and buy some RAM products which are on our website. These cradles are now available on www.strike.com.au. Thanks.